afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome you to our concert entitled Honoring Our Founders, Maestro Basilio Manalo and Sister Mary Placid Abero. I am Gina Medina Perez. I'm one of the very first students of Predis. And at the time, I remember I was one of the youngest. But today, I find myself as one of the more senior members. And so I have been tasked to give this speech. This reunion came about because one of the original members, Sandiwa del Rosario, is in town from the US with his family. He wanted to reconnect with his old friends and revisit his roots. And as a musician, when we gather together, we make music. So this concert is essentially a reunion. 40 years of friendship and 3 hours of preparation, to be honest. Most of us had our first rehearsal today. So this is a labor of love. This is presented by Cadenza Strings, St. Scholastica's College School of Music, the Predis, for the benefit of Street for Strings, an outreach program of the Batik Foundation. As we celebrate this moment together and relive the days of our youth, it's important to honor the people who shaped us into the musicians we are today. We owe so much to the 2 pillars of music who laid our musical foundation. The founders of Predis, Sister Mary Placid Abero, former Dean of the School of Music at St. Scholastica's College, and our mentor, the legendary pedagogue, Basilio Manalo. I recall a summer workshop in Makili when I was about 14 years old, and DJ and Dino were about 9 years old. Sir Billy shared his dream of not only raising the standard of violin playing, but of uplifting Philippine music as a whole. He believed that what we were doing in Makili should continue beyond the summer. When we returned from the mountain, he immediately shared his vision to Sister Mary Placid Abero. And that's how Predis, Philippine Research for Developing Instrumental Soloists, was born. Later, it became the Philippine Research for the Development of Instrumental Soloists. That name has deep significance. Sir Billy believed that to elevate the standard of music, we needed to produce not just instrumentalists, but soloists, leaders in their field. He challenged us with difficult concertos, ensuring that anyone in the orchestra could perform as a soloist level. 40 years later, many of his students have become leaders in the country's most prestigious institutions. At one point, every concert master in every major orchestra were his student or his students' students. The violin curriculum he curated for St. Scholastica's College became a benchmark for almost all the conservatories in the country. Although Sir Billy is no longer with us, his vision, ideas, and dreams live on. From one man, with the support of Sister Mary Placid, came a movement that changed our lives, and in many ways, changed the course of Philippine music history. Today, we welcome you into our musical home. You will hear the sound of the Predis kids, headed by Rosario Molina Cruz, the Sprague's strings and SEC students, trained by Dino De Sena, former concert master of the Philippine Philharmonic Orchestra, Some members of the orchestra of the Filipino youth, trained by Dino De Sena and DJ Salonga, Street to Strings, the outreach arm of the Bati Foundation, and the Kinship Ensemble, comprised of former students of Servili, headed by his trusted colleague and former student, Arturo Molina. This is not just a concert. It is a gathering of friends, students, and family. We're here to share the joy of playing music together. So we invite you to enjoy this moment with us. Maraming salamat po.